Meet this tiny friend. 3.5-inch screen of MHS series with case. It supports up to 125 MHz SPI signal input so the picture plays smoothly without flicker. Groove design makes the plugging more steady. Vents on the case plus removable fan make it better to cool down. The column keeps the screen and the Raspberry Pi balanced. When we start using it, we should install the driver first. Otherwise, the screen can't work correctly. There are two ways to install it. Option 1. Download the latest system from the official website. You need to connect keyboard, mouse, screen and internet to your Raspberry Pi. Then execute this command. And you will get this. Option 2. Download the pre-installed image from LCD Wiki. 4 mainstream systems are included. Much more easier. How to activate the dual screen function. The default output resolution of the driver is 480*320, but many traditional HDMI displays do not support HDMI input signal that is lower than 640*480, which causes the HDMI display can't work correctly. So we have to adjust the resolution by executing this command. And you will get this. How to rotate the display direction. First, open LCD Show on the folder. Then execute this command. And you will get this.